Facebook account. I'm just gonna say to Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sedjo, can you just stop harassing Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan? If Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, if she is anti-Marcos, if she is non-political, or if she is a pro-Duterte, what's her problem? Both of you don't know that Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan is a teacher of Jude Goles. You know, Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedjo, Teacher Alex doesn't know both of you. She didn't know both of you. Can you please stop harassing her? Me, at the time, I never talk about politics. I do not talk about political affiliation. And at this time, Paulo Cruzada, I just want to say to you in my blog, in my YouTube video, can you just stop about politics, Paulo Cruzada? J-Rick is very angry, very stress over at Paulo Cruzada. At least I've just kept an eye the dog Lemon. I never talk about politics. I'm just saying, if we want to be non-political, Paulo Cruzada, we have to be non-political. Just like I said, look at everyone who are non-political, or who is non-political, or Ate Dina Guillermo, non-political, I've been apologized with Ate Dina when I made the YouTube video, when I troll her as a dummy account. Her workmate named Janica Rose Bautista said, Dina Guillermo is not really a Marcos loyalist. She's Ilocano, she's non-political, she's non-partisan, compared to my nephew Miggy Labitag. Unlike you, both of you, Paulo Cruzada, Ate Dina, I mean, not Ate Dina Guillermo, Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedjo, look at Ate Dina Guillermo, non-political, Can we just be non-political too, Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedjo? Because, I don't talk about politics. If I interview with Kuya Bear says to me, let's be a non-political. We have to be non-political. We should not talk about politics. Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedjo. Because right now, Teacher May Tiburcio, if she realized that she is anti-Marcos, if she is a pro-Duterte, what's the problem? If you want to bash Teacher May, or if you bash J-Rick Silva, or if he's pro-Duterte, or he's a non-political, can we just be a non-political? Enough about political affiliation. And I'm just gonna say, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sedjo, Teacher Gina Sedjo, you're a SPED teacher in CDIFI. You're a teacher of Charmaine Aloyan and Wawel Romero, and you even talk about politics, and you saying about you love Bongbong Marcos. Give me a break. both of you might be similar to Kuya Kopio. Oh, look at Kuya Kopio. Oh, that Marcos loyalist wannabe. Oh, he he throw the trash outside when my dad saw in some area in the street. Because I know my dad wants to report to the barangay because of Kuya Kopio. Oh, you want to be happen to yourself, Paulo Cruzada and teacher Gina Sejo. Oh, Gina Sejo, Paulo Cruzada, I know both of you have lots of cases. From harassing to Joseph Maspinas, teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, who else? Who else? The other people? Oh, because I know both of you might get sued of cyberbullying. If I'm just saying anyway, everyone are anti-Marcos, Paulo Cruzada, and Jean Asedio. Don't be such a bully. Wag kayo puro mamulitika, puro kayong bully ng ibang tao. Like what we have to say, we have to be non-political. That's a lesson to Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sejo.